Takot ka bang mamatay? I mean, we all will die sooner or later. We have to face death. Harapin natin yan. Wala pong makakaiwas. Nobody can escape death. But what is important is what happens after you die. We believe there is something beautiful after death. And this is a gift from the Lord. Please bow your head today in this moment and just tell the Lord, Lord, I believe in the resurrection of the dead and the life of the world to come. This is our faith. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon. Hindi po wakasan ang buhay. Itutuloy.